Leitner system. Right? It's a very powerful technique. In essence, here's the Leitner system. Right? It has 1 folder, 2 and 3. Folder, envelope, boxes, whatever that you want to use. So let's say we just learned about defenestration, that word. You want to remember it long term. You put it in your folder number 1. For folder number 1, it is something that you need to recite every day. Whatever that is in that folder, you take out, you recite. Alright? Now, next day come, you look into folder number 1, you open up, you see defenestration. Okay, I get it right. What do? You move it to folder number 2 straight away. Right? This Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, it's only the days that you recall. Folder number 3, Sunday, you only recall on Sunday. So what is this trying to do here? When you learn a new piece of information, the next day straight away you are reciting. Right? Then you move it to the next folder. You only recite on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. If you get it wrong, you move back to the other folder. If you get it right, you move it to Sunday. You only recall once a week. So you have memorized the information right now 3 times, and when you get it right, you do monthly. But this is the best system that us human beings are able to develop when it comes to storing information from your short-term to long-term memory while keeping track of things. So whatever piece of information that you want to store in your long-term memory is the Leitner system. This also makes you think, is it worth me memorizing an entire book right now? Because for me to really store something, it takes a while, right? That is one of the flaws of human memory. But unfortunately, as students, sometimes we need to memorize or we need to encode information, so this is the best that we have.